Hello friends, welcome to Investable. Today we are going to learn about how to do adjustments for strangle option strategy. So in this video, I am going to discuss how to create strangle, strike price selection and when to do adjustments. So before going into the video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Telegram group. In my Telegram group, I will be posting all my trades, option strategies, live adjustments. The link is given in the description. So don't forget to join my Telegram group. Also, we have advanced options training program is going on. Please contact me through the mobile number given in the description. So let's start the video. First we will see how to create strangle. I have opened Opstar here. I will select Bank Nifty and you can create strangle in monthly expiry or weekly expiry. Today I am going to explain in the weekly expiry. So I am selecting 18 November. So today is Saturday, so already one day over. So usually you can create any option selling strategies in the previous Thursday or Friday morning because the premiums will be more. So for demo purpose I am creating today. So let's open the option chain. So currently the spot price is around 38,733. So you can select a premium for the strangle around 100 to 130 on the call side as well as on the put side. So generally strangle means selling a out of the money call and out of the money put. So the premium you can select around 100 to 130. So here 39,400 is trading around 115. I am selling one lot, and on the put side 38,200 is trading around 108. So I am going to sell one lot. So this is our payoff chart. So the max profit is 5,500 and the probability 64%. So estimated margin we need around 1,60,000. So this is the break even. Okay. So this is how we need to create short strangle. So now we will do a back test on a particular week and we will see how to do adjustments. So I am opening Bank Nifty chart. So this is in 4-hour time frame. So normally strangle works very well in sideways market. So you can draw a support and resistance. So whenever the price is middle of that support and resistance, so you can create strangle strategy. So here from June to August, we have a very good sideways market. So you can draw a resistance over here and a support over here. And in the month of July, the price is retested resistance level and came down somewhere middle of the support and resistance. So I am going to take this particular week for our back testing. This is around 9th July. So we will go to option simulator and we will select Bank Nifty. So that is 9th July. Okay, so the next expiry is 15 July and I am going to select the start date. So around 8th July. So which is previous Thursday. So premium will be higher there. And the payoff date. So July 15. So now we will go to 9:30 and get the option chain. We will see the Bank Nifty price 35,775. So now we will select the strike price. So on the call side, which strike price is having premium of 100 to 130. So here 36,500 is having 109. So I am going to sell one lot. And on the put side, so we have 35,000 trading around 111. So I am going to sell one lot. So this is our payoff diagram. Okay, max profit is 5,500 and this is our break even. Okay, now we will go forward and we will do back testing. So before I will explain how we are going to do adjustments. So whenever the call price become double than the put price, So we are going to do adjustments. And a similar way, if the put price becomes double than the call price, we will be doing adjustments. So normally in that case, we are going to shift the lower price. For example, if call price become double, then we are going to close the put price and we are going to shift wherever the premium is around 70 to 75% of the call current price. So now we will go forward and we will check how this trade is going on. So I am forwarding half an hour. Okay, the price almost matched. So we will go forward again. So 35,700. Okay, call price is reducing, but it is not reduced to 50%. So we will wait. So I am forwarding fast. Okay, call price become 75 and put become 136. We will go forward another 15 minutes. Okay, now the call become half of the put price. So we are going to close the call and we will move to 70% of 146. So I am going to close the call. This is 74 and I am going to move to the strike price which is having around 100. So get the option chain. So 36,300 is trading around 107. So I am going to sell one lot. Now we will see the payoff chart. So it is almost middle. We will go to P&L. So now we will go forward and we will check how the trade is going on. Okay, 35,469. We will go forward 290. So now there is a mismatch. Okay, the put price went to 231. The call become 76. So now we will close the call around 77 and we will get the option chain. So 70% of 230 around 160 strike we will select. So 35,900 trading around 151. I will sell one lot. Okay, we will see the payoff. So now our payoff become shorter and shorter. So actually we sold 35,000 put. So the current price is 35,290. So whenever the Bank Nifty price comes to 35,000, so we are going to convert this triangle into straddle. That means we are going to sell 35,000 call to match the put which we sold earlier. Okay, that we will see later. Again I am going forward 35,200. So now we have 35,900 call and 35,000 put. So we have to see only these two options. So we will see the payoff. Okay, so we are in safe zone. So we will go forward 35,300. There is no problem. So 247 loss. So we will go to next day. So 34,963. There is a big gap down. So the put price become 358. Actually what happened, as I said earlier, so now the Bank Nifty price came to the put which we sold, that is 35,000. Now we are going to close the call and we are going to move to at the money call. Okay, so I am going to close the call option trading around 87 and get the option chain. So we will see where is 35,000 and I am going to sell one lot. Now we will see the payoff. So it becomes straddle now. So from now what we are going to do, if you see my straddle video, so we are going to manage the Greeks. Okay, so if you are not watched my straddle video, so please watch for more clarity. So now the call and put are at the money. So it is having around 50 delta. So whenever we find 25 delta difference, that means put become 60 and the call become 35. So we are going to sell additional calls. The same way put side also. If call delta increases, we are going to sell additional put to match the delta. Okay, now we have 3000 rupees loss. Okay, see, actually we moved the call options, so the max profit become 15,000. Okay, we'll go forward. So 34,924. So delta almost managed. So 1,600 loss. 35,095. Okay, delta almost managed. Again, market is consolidating. Okay, so we came into profit, 200 rupees profit. Okay, so we have a delta mismatch of minus 36. So the call delta become 66. So now we are going to sell additional put options. Okay, I am going to option chain. So we have to see where is the 25 delta put option. So this is delta column. So 34,900 is having 24 delta. So I am going to sell one lot. Okay, now the delta difference is only 12. So we will go forward. So 35,332. So 18 delta mismatch. We'll see the payoff once. Okay. I'll go to Greeks. I'll go forward. So around 25 delta mismatch is happened. So actually 1,100 profit. So now what we are going to do? We are not going to sell additional put. Rather, I am going to leave this 35,000 put as it is, and I am going to close this 34,900 put, and we are going to sell at the money put. Okay, I will close this 34,900 put, which is trading around 71, and I am going to shift to at the money put. So at the money put will have 50 delta. So 35,400 put I am going to sell one lot. Okay, now the delta is managed. So we will go forward. 343, so no problem. So 1,500 profit. Okay, there is a mismatch in delta around 35. So what happens? The market is coming down. So the put delta is increasing. So we have two put options. One is here and one more is here. So now to manage the delta, what I am going to do? I am going to close this 35,000 put. So whenever there is a pullback in the market, so the additional put or call, we are going to close it. Okay, so what is the price? So it is trading around 180. So we'll go to Greeks. So now the Greeks are managed. So now we will go forward. 35,174. No problem. Okay, there is a mismatch around 28. Okay, actually we came to next day, that is 13 July. So 15 is our expiry. So we are on 300 rupees profit. So now what I am going to do, since the market is going up, I am going to sell additional put. So which is having 25 delta. So 35,100 is having 26 delta. I am going to sell it. Okay, now delta managed. So we will go forward. Again, not a problem. 35,400. We'll see the payoff. Okay. So if we are getting 3,000 rupees profit, we are going to close this strategy. 35,500. Okay. So again, delta mismatch happened. So what happened? The call is increasing. So whenever this call become more than 90 delta, what we can do, we can close this position and we can move little higher strike price. So whenever this call become more than 90, So we are going to close this call and we are going to sell a call in the upper level. So we'll go to PNL. Okay, 35,000 which is trading around 540. So I am going to close this. And I am going to select strike which is having lesser delta. So I am going to sell 35,300 call option. Okay, now we'll see the Greeks. Okay, it is managed. Okay, we'll go forward. Before that, please see the payoff. Okay, 35,600. The market is keep on increasing. So again mismatch happened. Okay, 740 loss. So now what we will do? We will close 3500 put and we will move to at the money. So 3500 put trading around 60 rupees. So what is the current market price? 35,600. So which should have 50 delta. So see here 35,600 is having delta 47. So I am going to sell one lot. So now we will see the Greeks. So it is managed. So 700 loss. So we will go forward. Market is at same place. 550 loss. So we will go to end of the day. So delta is managed. So 340 loss. We will go to next day. 35,500. So 24 delta mismatch happened. So we are going to do some adjustments. That is market is coming down. So I am going to close 35,400 put. So 35,400 put trading around 110. We'll see the Greeks now. Okay, it is only -12. So we will go forward. 471. Okay, delta managed. 487. So now there is a delta mismatch of 30. So I am going to sell additional put. Go to option chain. Okay, I am going to sell 35,300 put. Okay, delta managed. We'll go forward from 15 minutes. 35,688. Okay, again mismatch happened. 785 profit. The market is very volatile. So now see 35,300 call become 94. So we are going to shift to lower delta. I am going to close 35,300. Or not to. And we will select. $35,500. Okay, so we will see the payoff. Okay, so we will see the Greeks. So it is almost managed. So again I will go forward. Market is at same place. So 30 mismatch. So 30 mismatch. Again what we are going to do? We are going to close 35,300 put and we are going to shift to at the money. Okay, I am going to close 35,300 put, which is trading around 37, and get the option chain. We'll go to at the money put. So 35,800. is having delta 51, so I will be selling one lot. Okay, now we will see the Greeks. So it is managed. I am going forward. 35,700. So again 24 mismatch. So now what is happening? The market is coming down. 683. So 33 delta mismatch. So what I will do, I will close 35,600 put. So it is trading around 105. So now we will see the payoff. So since we are adjusted more, so whatever profit as of now, you can close the trade, or you can go forward and you will see if anything goes wrong, you can close the trade. Okay, market is at same place. So 35,720, again mismatch happened. So at this point we can close the trade because we already got around 3,000 rupees. So we can close the trade. So this is how we need to adjust triangle option strategy. So if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment. If you like the video, please share to your friends and subscribe to Investable. We will meet in another interesting video. Thank you for watching.